Okay, welcome back, great people. Today we want to learn about construction of polygons using the general method. The general method here, we mean that we want to construct polygons when you are given the diagonals or you are given the diameter of the circle that's going to inscribe the polygon. So we want to inscribe a polygon, any given polygon, in a circle. So here we go. The first thing that is supposed to be done is to draw the center line. The center line that is of the circle. We want to draw the center line of the circle. Then, now, any given circle, I want to leave it open. You can either be given 100 millimeters as the diameter of the circle. You can either be given 80. Any given diameter that should be provided with, you are supposed to be able to construct the given polygon. Now, we want to construct this polygon of ours in a circle of radius 100. So we open up the radius, then we draw the given circle. Now we have drawn the given circle. The next thing, now because we want to draw, let's say now we want to draw a pentagon. When drawing a pentagon, it is this diameter of ours that we want to divide into 5 equal parts. Why are we dividing it into 5 equal parts? Because a pentagon has got 5 parts. So 5 sides. So we will divide this line, let me call it line X, and this one is line Y. So we will divide line XY to 5 equal parts. So we put a reciting line there. Then we mark 5 points which are equidistant. Here we go. We have the first point, second, third, fourth, lastly the 5th point. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, on that 5th point, it is the one that will join, this last point will join it to point Y. That way, we've joined it to point Y. Now, from these points that we've made here, we want to make lines that are parallel to this line of Y. Let me call this point 1, 2, 3, 4, this 5. Lines that are parallel to 5 and Y, we want to draw them to come to this line XY. Here we go. I will align my set square with 5 and Y like that. Then put my T-square like that. Then now I slide to point number 4. I bring a line like that. From point number 3, I bring a line like that. From point number 2, I bring a line like that. Then lastly, point number 1, I bring a line with that. Good. After doing that, now we want to make 2 arcs, and these arcs are equal to the diameter of the given circle. So I'll stand at point Y and open my compass to point X. That way, then make an arc like that. Then I come to point X also, then to point Y, I make an arc like that. Then here there is a place that this arc will intersect. The 2 arcs will intersect at a given point. So any given polygon, the arc this arc where they intersect, let me call it pointer O. This point O, we are supposed to make a line that passes through point 2. A point 2 is a standard. Whether you are drawing a pentagon, hexagon, nonagon, that point is a standard. So we will make a straight line that passes through this point here. Yeah? Let me call it a 2 prime. This 2 prime is a standard point. So in any given polygon, that is where you use standard. So like that. Then I'll draw a straight line from O that passes through point 2 until it touches this lower point of our circle. There is a place that that line will touch our circle. Then now you will join X to this point here. Let's call it point B. So you'll join X to point B. This is it. So by doing that, we already have one side of the pentagon. So what next? Now we want to make the arcs along the circumference of the circle. So what we do, we open our compass from X to point B, that distance. Then now mark on this given circle. So we'll have those arcs like that. We have them like that. We have them like that. And then that one comes down here. So after doing that, we'll join with a straight line from B, this arc here. Good. Then from here, we join it upwards, that point like that. From this point here, we join to this side like that. And lastly, from this point to this point also, we join. That's how simple it is to inscribe a pentagon in a given circle of any given diameter. So on the same drawing, I want to do this one because maybe there is someone who not understood this. I want to do another one here of constructing a pentagon when we are given, not a pentagon, sorry, we want to do an hexagon. So we want to do a hexagon of 6 sides inscribed in a circle of diameter, let's say 80. So we want to draw the circle first. So we want to construct the circle. I'll come here and make that center line like that. Then from here also do that one. Then I had opened this radius of 40, so the circle is of diameter 80. Then I make a circle that way. So then what did I say? We want to divide this diameter to 6 equal parts. Why? Because we want to draw a hexagon. So we make this line like that, bring it downwards, then divide it into 6 parts. So we have this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and lastly 6. When we were drawing a pentagon, we said that point number 2 is what we are looking for. All this work that we have done here are construction works. So there is no need of drawing several lines here. So let us use a shortcut. And still you'll find your marks in full. So no mark will get lost. I say technical drawing is all about time. So we put our line like that. Then we make a line from here to that end. Then because point number 2 is what we need, we will come to this second point here. So I put my set square like that, then slide it like that to this point 2 and make a line like that. Good. Then after that, what did I say? I said we open the diameter of the given circle. So this circle, we said that it is of diameter 80, so this is 80. So I open it to that point, then make an arc there. I come to this point here. Again, I make an arc like that. There is a place where they are intersecting. So from that place, I will draw a line from that point to pass through point number 2. This point here, this diameter line. So I will make a straight line from there, passes through point 2 until it reaches the circumference of this circle. Then I will draw that line now. Here is the line. After doing that, the rest is history. So we measure the distance of this line that we've drawn because we already have one side. So we take that measurement like that and now mark it on this circle. Good. That is it. That is it. And lastly, it comes to this point here. So now we want to join the arcs. Now I come like this, join from that end to this end. From here I join it to that point. From here to this arc up there. From here join it like that, and then lastly here. Wow, this is what it is. So we have used the diameter of a given circle to inscribe a given polygon. Here we have done what we call a pentagon. So that is a pentagon. This one with 6 sides is a hexagon. So as we proceed, I know we will be okay with the drawing. So if you like this, I will urge you to subscribe, share and like. Thank you.